bye. I know. And then he goes, no, it means bye. I'll talk to you. I'm like, no, it doesn't.
That's TTYL.
No, I know.
TTYL.
No, he's like, no, it means talk to you later. I'm like, no, it doesn't. Talk to you later. Talk to you later is TTYL. Just TTYL. You want to know what it is? Cover your ass. CYA. He said that to me. And then he's like, I told him I was mad at him for lying. And he goes, oh, I didn't know what it meant. Really? We didn't know what it means. And like, just so you know, there's a thing called Google. Right? And I looked, because well, first I didn't know how it works, so I typed right there, and it said laugh out loud. CYA. Cover your ass.
Is that good?
Look at it. Look at
To see? Yep. YA.
Yeah, but like it wasn't. There was no space.
No, there isn't a space in Sia.
Oh, well, yeah, true. But, like, he didn't say anything about Sia. He said it was bye. That was.
Darren. I can't record no more.
Fine.
Sit in front of me.
Stop.
Dude, I'm like really roasting in the sweatshirt, but the bugs aren't getting me.
The bugs are roasting me.
No, I'm like on fire in this thing.
I already did the grand finale.
Really did?
The grand finale is the last thing. Smart one. I love that smell.
They're always different. Yeah, but you're too scared to watch. That's what you're like.
You're louder. Huh? You're louder.
There's other bugs that pollinate. But we wouldn't have any honey.
I wish there was no bugs except bees. Here, no, let's just watch. Okay. Yeah, so you could get. And they stay
Honey?
in there.
Honey and money.
Oh, I can't wait.
I love it.
Oh, look at all the smoke sponges. What?
Recording?
Is it louder? Yeah. Way louder?
Like, oh.
Than that? It's not the
Do you want me to record it?
Is it stopped?
No, it's still
No, it's still going. When you want me to record, just tell me and I will.
Okay. Just hold on to that.
Oh my gosh, they're getting the rocket. It's like cool. They're getting the rocket.
Darren, are you afraid?
No! Rockets are awesome.
I'm definitely taking a shower tomorrow.
I'm not.
Morning.
In the morning, yeah, definitely.
Or tonight.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
What? Yeah, it is.
Come on, Grace, let's go.
Well, happy birthday if I don't see you tomorrow.
It's my cousin's birthday tomorrow, too.
Watch your language.
Roll around.
Just because you whisper it doesn't mean they can't hear you. Can't hear you.
You said that 2 times, so. And you're not supposed to swear around me.
Swear and put God's name in vain.
Yeah. God.
Darren.
You know better.
It's like, God, I want to pray to you. I don't know better.
That
Whoa!
is awesome.
That's the grand.
No.
Oh, they're doing them again. What is it, Chad? What is that?
They're Roman candles, I think.
Yes!
Oh crap.
This is the grand finale.
Shoot.
You didn't even get that. Oh.
I want it. It's over there.
This is the grand finale.
Click the back button. Okay, you got it.
Not the grand finale.
No, it's not.
Wait.
Not even close.
I know. It's louder. And I even said no.
Don't get off of him.
Be
This
careful
isn't
for that
the
cup
grand
of water.
finale either.
Spill it. You go get me ice cold water.
Nah.
No.
Yeah, then don't spill it.
Oh, fuck.
You don't need to scream. Give that back to Andrew.
I don't want it.
I'll have
Okay,
it.
whatever.
I'll have it.
Give it to Gavin for his birthday.
Hey guys, you want it?
Happy birthday.
So,
That is
is that your wallet?
awesome.
I can't see it.
A lot.
You don't need to know. Don't tell him, don't show him, don't do nothing.
All right. I don't have any.
Oh, I can't. My birthday present. Stop, I said! I'm getting that bug on my foot. Who are you? Who are you?
That's Gavin.
That's your brother.
Oh.
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't.
We would be able to see these from Elrosa.
Yeah, probably.
Jesse used to sit, like, last year, Jesse sat on his dog kennel and watched.
We die?
How do you know she's seen them?
Because she's still sitting, waiting, looking up at the sky.
Why? My hurt.
And neighbors were saying that she was howling, too.
Hey, you can see the guy. I see them.
See them all.
I see
Yep.
him.
Dude, how much of them are there?
6.
There's 6.
There's a lot more.
Yeah, it looks like more than 6. I know John, Kevin, and
John,
Yeah,
Kevin,
sure.
Steve, John, Kevin, Steve, Tim, Eric, Michael, Dustin. No, Alex didn't go.
Dustin's there?
I think Dustin went. Because he went last year and the year before. I think.
Oh.
How do the mosquitoes hurt when they bite you? They just, I don't like them biting me.
I got fluid.
Bees stung me. Me too, right?
do they like go one at a time where one lights one and then the other goes?
Oh, I wish I had.
I was afraid
I
to.
think Dustin's in the truck.
No, Dustin lights them
I
off.
can't help it.
He's killing mosquitoes.
Go.
I think mosquitoes are attracted to black people more.
Hey, you, can you come kill the mosquitoes, please? Watch out for that cup of water. Oh my gosh.
This is what you call it. No.
This is not the finale.
Louder.
Darren, the finale is not always loud. Woo!
I just. Wow!
Dude, that was like,
Enjoy the fireworks!
Shut up.
Oh,
that was it?
No.
Hi, John! Oh, hi, John! Oh, this bug
Trying to rip my
got
arm
dead in my
off?
mouth.
Hey, Sook,
I just-
what happened to you getting the bugs away?
What?
Yeah, we were fighting them.
Is that it?
Let's go
Please
fight
don't
the
say
bugs.
That's it, because I didn't get the chance to stand up and fight.
Okay, I'll fight him. Where's Black Bug?
Behind us, Darren.
I'll make yourself black.
Back.
Why'd you did that? Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?
Hey,
You guys!
girls!
Girls!
You calling you guys
Hey.
girls?
Calling you two.
Chick fight.
I'm a chick.
Got your leg.
Oh yeah.
What did I do? I locked it. Andrew, your phone locked.
Andrew,
But it's still
Andrew.
recording.
you guys, what happened to that cup of water? Oh,
It's-
good.
I have it.
Good. Okay, good. I thought it spilled.
Your phone's locked, but it's still recording.
I need help. Wait, everybody pause for
Alright,
a
alright.
second.
I got squirt guns.
Hey, so
Filled them with
get
water.
off of him.
Phone's locked, but it's still recording. See?
Push.
Unlock.
Their battery